Yep, got a new assigned truck and I had to get her clean. Hey y'all, yeah, we talked on the last video about getting in a new assigned truck, and like I told you, I came in on Tuesday early in the morning so I could have time to put all my stuff in and get her all set up so I wouldn't be late on my run still. But because of that, I did not have a chance to get some video of what kind of condition this truck was in when I first moved in. I had like 3 or 4 bags of trash. I mean, it doesn't look like it, but when you start digging, you find old masks, old gloves stuck to the floor, just all sorts of nasty stuff. I don't think it had ever been swept out and cleaned out. I don't think the dash has ever been wiped down with anything. So you guys that know, you guys that have been in these trucks, you know how they can get. Well, that's how it was. So a couple days later, I had a chance on my 30-minute break to clean it up. I didn't get to go as deep as I really like to sometimes because I didn't have the time. I like to pull everything out, sweep it all out or blow it out with the air hose, clean all the frame and the seat and everything where it goes up and down because they get pretty nasty and dusty under there too. I did not have time to do all of that, but I did do a pretty good job of cleaning it over my 30-minute break out there at Stanton one day. I found a product that I want to tell you about. It's not a paid promotion, but I'd always use Armor All or Pledge furniture polish, and the Armor All was okay, made it kind of shiny, but it just drew dust and lint like right away. The Pledge got it clean, but it just didn't make it pop, you know, the way I like it to look. So I asked on some Facebook groups what these other trucker guys use and gals use, and I got all sorts of suggestions, and I'm going to show you what I decided on here in a second. But first I want you to take a look on what the inside looks like now. Now, if you notice, I do armor all the floors a little bit. On the passenger side, a little heavier than the driver's side, but nobody else drives in here. No one rides on the passenger side, so I'm not worried about anybody slipping. You just got to make sure you don't get it on the pedals. Armor All works good for that. It's a little bit cheaper than the stuff I'm using now. But if you notice just how deep, rich the finish on this stuff looks, it just gets it so clean. And this is, when you're seeing this, it's a couple of days after I did it, I think. And there's not any dust or anything, lint or anything on it yet. But what I'm using is Meguiar's. I think that's how you say it. Meguiar's Extra Shine, Supreme Shine Gloss Protectant. It works really good. I use a ShamWow cloth. Has no dust or lint on it or anything like that. I bought the big ShamWows, cut them up in pieces to use, and it works really well. You just have to wash them when you get done. But they work really well. This stuff looks really good. I'm really happy with how it came out. It's deep, dark shine on it, and that's what I'm using. So thanks for all the suggestions on Facebook groups. So tell me what you think about cleaning the truck. I know some people don't go into it near as deep as I do. I understand. I'm not asking you to be like me, but I like doing it this way, so that's how I do it. Tell me what you think. Take a look at some of my other videos. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I appreciate it if you have. And we'll see you later.